All my fellow AP1 owners out there know how cringy and terrible it can be going into third gear and having this awful, terrible grinding sound. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid it, and when you use these techniques, they'll become second nature and you probably won't grind third ever again. Let's get started. The biggest cause of gear grind is going from second gear into third after you've reached red line in second gear. The first way to avoid that is shifting slower. If you go from second to third slower, and you just wait, hold it in neutral even for a few seconds, and pop into third, generally speaking, you're going to be alright. You're going to avoid third gear grind pretty reliably. Next method to avoid third gear grind is, believe it or not, rocking it into fourth gear first. If you hit 9,000 in first and second, most reliable way to fix it, hit fourth briefly and go into third. The other methods work about 90% of the time, but that has worked absolutely 100% of the time for me. Third method, and the third and fourth methods might sound like cheating, but technically they do work. If you go from first, you can just skip second altogether. Generally speaking, you avoid grind, and second's actually a pretty short gear, so it really doesn't matter that much. So you're not really losing that much acceleration unless you're doing a hard run. Next method, skip third. If you go from first and second, and then you just pop it up, go into fourth. Now, again, that might sound like cheating. It might sound like not really avoiding third gear because you're avoiding a third gear grind because you're avoiding third gear altogether. But it's the safest way I've seen to avoid any kind of damage to third gear at all because of the bad synchro. And technically speaking, you can get up to about 64, 65 miles an hour in second. So any kind of stoplight launch or any kind of, acceleration run of merging or anything, you generally don't even really need third gear unless you're trying to go for a quarter-mile run or just really hit it hard. So the second and third shift, you don't even have to use that much, and I avoid it most of the time. Now, if you're really dead set on shifting into third fast, you want to find out exactly how to do it, you want to time it right, and you want to avoid all these kind of quick fixes, what you do, after the hard shift into second, pop it into neutral, and just put your thumb just barely against the shifter. Just pressing against it just barely before it notches in the gear with the clutch pressed, that one little sweet spot right here, you can actually feel just the little beginning of the grind. I've done this in two AP1 S2000s. The RPM was a bit different in each, but in my car, as long as you're between 4 and 5, you're almost guaranteed to be okay. You can actually feel it when the RPMs are dropping, and you hold it like this, you can feel where the grind actually disappears, and then it actually can come back at a lower RPM. But you can find that sweet spot. So your second and third shift, you just let the RPM drop a little bit more than a perfect rev match, about 64, 6,500 RPM. And then you just go right into third. And once you find the lower RPM, re-rev match once it's gear slotted in, and you're good. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Let me know if this helped you avoid third gear grind, and leave any comments below if you think I can improve the video or if you have any other methods that avoid third gear grind at all.